Please pay 100% attention so that you will be able to understand. Please avoid all the distraction and focus only on these things. So it will help you to improve your listening and speaking. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Let's get started.
Hey, Dina. How's everything going?
Hi, Alex. I'm doing well, thanks. Just busy with classes and studying for exams at Oxford. How about you?
Same here, Oxford keeps us on our toes. But hey, speaking of Oxford, remember when we first met during our freshman year at the library?
Oh, yes. It feels like yesterday. I remember being so shy to approach you, but you were so friendly and helped me with my essay. That's when we hit it off.
Yeah, I remember that too. I was drawn to your intelligence and your beautiful smile. We started spending more time together, studying, grabbing coffee, and exploring the city.
Those were some of the best times of my life. Oxford has such a rich history and culture, and experiencing it with you made it even more special.
Absolutely. And our shared love for literature and philosophy sparked some deep conversations that I'll cherish forever.
Me too. It's rare to find someone who shares the same passion for learning and growth.
Agreed. And as we progressed through our studies, we supported each other during the tough times, like late-night cramming sessions and stressful exams.
Yes, your encouragement and motivation kept me going when I felt overwhelmed. I'm so grateful for your presence in my life.
Likewise, Dina. You've been my rock too. And remember when we traveled during the breaks? From exploring the ancient ruins in Rome to hiking in the Scottish Highlands, those were some amazing adventures.
Yes, those trips were truly unforgettable. We created cherished memories together that we'll cherish for a lifetime.
Definitely. And as we're approaching the end of our time at Oxford, I can't help but think about our future.
Me too. It's a little overwhelming, but I'm excited to see what lies ahead.
Same here. I can picture us pursuing our careers in academia, writing scholarly papers, and maybe even collaborating on a research project together.
That would be a dream come true. I can't wait to see where our academic paths take us.
And speaking of the future, Dina, I have a question I've been meaning to ask you.
Oh, really? What is it?
Well, we've been together for a few years now, and I can't imagine my life without you. You've been my best friend, confidant, and partner in crime. Dina, will you marry me?
Oh, Alex. I'm speechless. Yes, 1,000 times yes. I love you with all my heart, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
I love you too, Dina. You've made me the happiest person in the world. I can't wait to start this new chapter together as husband and wife.
Me neither. I'm excited for our future, our careers, and building a life together. We'll make an incredible team.
Absolutely. We'll support each other's dreams and aspirations, and navigate through life's ups and downs together.
Yes, we'll be each other's rock, just like we've always been. I'm so grateful to have you by my side.
And I'm equally grateful to have you in my life, Dina. You're my soulmate, my confidant, and my best friend.
Dina, I feel the same way, Alex. We are truly lucky to have found each other.
Absolutely, we are. I can't wait to see what our future holds, and I'm so excited to continue our journey together.
Me too, Alex. It's incredible to think about all the adventures we'll have, the challenges we'll face, and the memories we'll create as a married couple.
Definitely. And I know we'll continue to support each other in our careers. I can see us both excelling in our respective fields and making a meaningful impact.
Yes, I have no doubt that we'll achieve great things individually and as a team. With you by my side, I feel like I can take on anything that comes my way.
And I feel the same way, Dina. You inspire me with your determination, intelligence, and unwavering support. I'm so proud to call you my partner.
Thank you, Alex. Your unwavering love and encouragement mean the world to me. I'm so grateful for the bond we share, and I can't wait to see it grow even stronger in marriage.
Me too, Dina. We've already been through so much together, and I know we'll continue to grow and evolve as a couple.
Absolutely. And it's not just about the good times, but also about facing challenges together and overcoming them. I know we'll be there for each other no matter what.
That's right. Together, we'll navigate through the highs and lows of life, supporting and uplifting each other along the way.
Exactly. And I'm so excited to continue our adventures together, exploring new places, trying new things, and making memories that will last a lifetime.
Me too, Dina. We'll continue to fill our lives with love, laughter, and meaningful experiences. I can't wait to see what the future holds for us.
It's going to be amazing, Alex. And I'm grateful to have you by my side every step of the way.
As am I, Dina. You are my partner, my confidant, and my best friend. I'm so lucky to have you in my life, and I promise to always cherish, love, and support you.
And I promise the same to you, Alex. You are my rock, my soulmate, and my forever love. I can't wait to begin this new chapter as husband and wife and create a beautiful life together.
Me neither, Dina. Here's to our love, our future, and our happily ever after.
Cheers to that, Alex. I love you with all my heart, now and forever.
I love you too, Dina. Always and forever.
Please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks for watching.